Sonu sir, I think you should eat it. This is the first time the crunch of the fruit will also be there in the picture, sir. Yeah. I'm telling you, sir. Right, thank you everybody. Thank you, thanks a lot. If I could request you all to please settle down and can we just pass on some microphones to everybody? I would request all my friends from the media, all the photojournalists, if you could just step aside. Can we get the table for Chef Rani? Gentlemen, please settle down. Sir, please, if you could sit down. All right, thank you. If you could, I could request you to settle down, please. Thank you. Sure. Oh, you have. Chef, if you could settle down, please. And before we move ahead, so you're the brand ambassador. Of course, you're one of the fittest, people in the industry. But more than that, you're a Punjabi. तो मैंने एक बार इनसे सवाल पूछा था, मैंने कहा, you're a Punjabi. How do you maintain yourself, yeah? So एक बार आपने जवाब दिया था, मैं मुंह पे ताला लगा के रखता हूँ. But I think when you have such amazing fruits, मुंह पे ताला लगाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. So how do you maintain your health? Second, your association with the brand. If you could just share.
First of all, good evening, everyone, and thank you so much for coming here today. जैसे आपने पूछा कि पंजाबी हैं कैसे मेंटेन रखते हैं, so I think it's always very tough for a Punjabi to maintain. बहुत सारे पंजाबी भरा बैठे हुए हैं इधर, so you would agree on that. But like I said, I've always lived on fruits. When firstly I was approached by Arora Saab for this pear thing, so मैंने बोला कि यार पेयर मुझे चुन रहा है कि मैं पेयर को चुन रहा हूँ. I think it's a pear who actually chose me to be the face of such an amazing product. And I've always lived on it all my life. So now when I get to endorse it, so I feel really proud. I think all the homework that I've been doing all these years from when I was a young kid till now, so I think all the real fruits, now I'm getting it in the form of the real fruit. So I'm really blessed, and thank you so much for making me a part of this family, sir.
Chef, if I could take your view on the same, and then of course I'm going to invite you for a live demo, and of course I think you're making something very interesting for us. But if you could share your association with the brand here and talk about the fruits.
Sure enough. I think overall I've always had a stand for fruits. Typically, one, because obviously all of us know they're सेहत के लिए बहुत अच्छे हैं. But दूसरा, मैं हमेशा से believe करता हूँ कि that fruits need to move from our living room to our kitchen. We need to start cooking with fruits. I think that's when I saw the pear, the Belgian conference pear that Berlotta is bringing in, and Arora Saab spoke about it. I picked up a few and I tried, and I found that it's the most amazing pear to poach. अगर कोई भी pear आपको kitchen के अंदर लेके जाना है, this is one of the most, the first choices to take inside a kitchen and use in the kitchen. So yeah.
So you spoke about kitchen. We got a station for you.
I call it the baby kitchen.
The baby kitchen. So before I could get somebody's view, if I could request you to, you just spoke about कि कितना interesting है
Sure.
kitchen में इसको use करना. If you could just show us a demo here, please.
So it's actually let's have Sonu cook it. Cooking है नहीं इसमें, basically है नहीं कुछ. सबसे पहले, now the best part about the conference pear is that you can eat it from top to bottom. आपको सिर्फ डंडी निकालनी है बस. हाय हाय पीछे वालों को परेशान मत करो, ये गलत बात है. So all you have to do is you have to remove the stick and you can use it whole, right? So आप डालो. Sense of accomplishment होना चाहिए ना फिर.
So you're making a smoothie, right? It's a breakfast smoothie.
Yeah, so what we're doing is we're making a pear breakfast smoothie. Stuff that keeps you filled for the next 3 hours. So ye pears gaye, Belgian conference pears. Now we're putting some beetroot. Okay, ji. Almonds.
देखे भाई वो अपने ही रखे हुए हनी शहद
नहीं, little more.
We're putting in more honey now.
Yeah, little more honey. This is a very non-Punjabi thing to do. 2 पंजाबी खड़े हैं जी, एक बराड़ एक सूद, और उसके बाद दूध नहीं डाल रहे, सोया मिल्क डाल रहे हैं. लेकिन सोया मिल्क डाल देने को रेसिपी ना ज्यादा छेड़छाड़ नहीं करनी चाहिए. लास्ट मिनट अभी मैं होटल वालों को बोलूंगा दूध ला के दो तो मेरी तरफ देखेंगे वो, तो सोया मिल्क ही डाल देते हैं. हाँ जी, पा दो. लाइन पहले लगा लो. इसके बाद add a little bit of water क्योंकि बहुत गाढ़ा होने वाला है.
वैसे बहुत मेहनत से बना रहा हूँ मैं, आप सब लोग देख रहे हैं आपके पास.
So oats, अब breakfast में the beauty about oats, actually मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा oats के बारे में, वरना स्मृति बोलेगी मैं करने आ बैठी हूँ. So कोई बहुत, मैं सिर्फ बोलूँगा बहुत टेस्टी बनने वाला है. I'll hold it down, बटन दबा दो. हाँ इधर ऊपर, ढक्कन फट.
सर एक्टर की लाइफ में बहुत सारी चीजें अज्यूम करनी होती हैं सेट पे.
ओ चले.
Chef, I think for high tea, we should have the smoothie as well for all our guests.
What's that?
So I said for high tea after the event, we should have the smoothie also.
Actually, अब तो होटल वाले पक्का मारेंगे मेरे को, बोले मेन्यू भी बढ़ा दिया आके. लगता रही है सर, देख लिया मर्जी. ओह, पंजाबी कहते हैं नजारा आ गया.
Simriti, I'll pass on one to you as well, because if you could just join in, I'll just pass it on to. I'll pass it on to the gentleman there. You have some more? Try the same. Sure. So now you have an alternative career, Sonu, you know that, right? You can be a chef as well now. And the fact that up to ban gaya, sir, Simriddhi, if I could just invite you to say a few words on the same, the nutritional fact about the pear. Of course, everybody knows, but what's so special about this one, if you could just share with us?
A very good evening, everybody. As a nutritionist and as a person who helps people achieve their fitness goals, I'm a big promoter of snacking in between meals. If you choose the right kind of snack, it can prevent you from getting hunger pangs at your main meals. And while I don't like to label any food as the best or the ideal or the perfect food, I really believe that fruits make the best snacks. I really believe that fruits make the best snacks. Take the Belgian conference pear, for example. 100 grams of this pear gives you a paltry 45 to 50 calories and 2.5 to 3 grams of fiber. When a fruit gives you that amount of fiber, you can be sure, apart from that, as chef has shown us, fruits are very versatile. You don't need to just consume the fruit by itself. You can include it in a salad, you can make a dessert out of it, you can make a brilliant smoothie like this. So make sure that you meet your nutrient requirements by eating at least 1 to 2 fruits every day and have a fruitful day every day. Thanks.
And in fact, saying that, a piece of caution, you should always carry a tissue box because this is very, very juicy. This is very, very juicy. I had that thing yesterday. I think it's very, very juicy. One of the most juiciest pears I've ever had. I'm going to open the forum for question and answer. If in case you have the question, please raise your hand and then, of course, our panelists would be more than happy to answer them. Ma'am, can you pass on the microphone to the lady? If